Cold conditions prevailed in most parts of the North India today, even as higher reaches of the Kashmir Valley received fresh snowfall, further bringing down the mercury. In the national capital, cold conditions continued unabated, with the minimum temperature being recorded at 6.5 degrees Celsius and dense fog being witnessed in some parts.
Temperature has plummeted further in the plains of northern India with the frequent snowfall in the mountains. People may have to brace the shivering cold for a few more days as the dip in mercury is going to continue. National capital witnessed chilly and the foggy morning on Wednesday, giving difficulties to people, especially office goers. The minimum morning temperature in Delhi was recorded at 6.5 Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius below the normal. During morning time, visibility in the capital reached 100 meters.
ट्रेनें काफ़ी लेट चल रही हैं, ठंडी की वजह से कोहरे बहुत घने हैं.
In this cold weather, only saving grace is that meteorologists expect a decline in fog during the next few days.
हमारा ये अनुमान है कि अगले 4-5 दिनों के लिए जो अभी पिछले 2 दिन में हमने इंटेंसिटी फॉग देखी है वो इतना नहीं रहेगा. शैलो टू मॉडरेट स्कैटर्ड रहेगी. मॉडरेट मींस जब हम शैलो बोलते हैं तो 500 से नीचे विजिबिलिटी होती है और मॉडरेट जब बोलते हैं तो 500 से 200 मीटर. डेंस हो गया जब 200 से नीचे हो.
Extremely cold temperature continues to get intense in all towns of Uttar Pradesh. The entire state is reeling under the winter chill. During the last 24 hours, temperature continued to drop in different parts of the state. Kanpur recorded the lowest temperature of 1 degree centigrade. In winter, Moradabad district administration has closed schools until January 3rd.
यहाँ पर ठंड बहुत है और बहुत सी पब्लिक जो है वो ठंड के मारे परेशान है यहाँ पर.
Cold waves have gripped Haryana and Punjab also. Narnaul has become the coldest place in the region. Train services have been affected badly in the northern India. Timing of some of the trains have been rescheduled, while many trains have been cancelled, causing trouble to the passengers. Hilly regions of the country are witnessing frequent snowfall. In some of the places of Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, temperature has slipped below zero level. Continuous snowfall is seen in Himachal, and meteorologists suggest that the situation is going to remain like that for some more days.
ये जो सर्दी है ये लगातार आगे रहेगी आने वाले दिनों में भी, लेकिन एक वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंस भी कल अप्रोच करेगी जिससे हिमाचल प्रदेश के जो मिड हिल्स और हाई हिल्स वाला एरिया है इसमें हल्की बारिश या स्नोफॉल होने की भी संभावना है.
Overall, as the season faces fall in temperature across northern India, bonfire and woolen clothes are giving some relief to the people. Newsnight Desk, DD News.